abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner when it comes to events planning and management. Sikhuluma-ke, when we're talking of events, we're talking about all types of events, be it a family event, a church event, corporate, social, community, political event. If you need events management and planning, get in touch with Deb3 Events. Usebenza ama-contacts akhona lapho ku-screen sakho. Sikhuluma-ke nge-PA system, sound system. If you need sound, stage higher, LED screens, videography, photography, you name it. Get in touch with Deb3 Events. And also, labo abezomculo abafuna a rehearsal space ikhona lapha, studio ikhona lapha. And if you need ukupheka ke ingoma zakho ukuthi sizilalele ngikhuluma ke nge-mastering, get in touch with Deb3 Events. Usebenza ama-contacts akhona lapho ku screen sakho. My name is Nondudu Zongcube, and today it's quite an interesting episode because ngilomunye umuntu lapha okhanya echaza kakhulu. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy today's episode. And Ngikhuluma-ke, one of Bulawayo born talents. He seems to be doing very, very well. Well, he's been based in South Africa and he has rubbed shoulders with the legends khona ngale South Africa. He is going to mention abantu aseke asebenza labo khona ngale. And now he is here khona lapha Deb3 Studios. He is in Bulawayo. And he wants to bring ufuna ukusiphathela ke ezimnandi khona lapha ku Bulawayo. Ngikhuluma ke
Smegalicious.
Impoze ngathi Samgelicious. Okay, ngikhuluma ke ngoSmegalicious. Ushap.
Yeah.
Asikipani.
Angikrend wena.
Hayi mina ngiyaphila siyakwamukela Deb3.
Okay, ngiyajabula ngiyabonga.
Thina lathi siyathaba ukuba lawe la. And ngibe ngibala iprofile yakho and njengoba uzwile ngiyehlulekile uqamba abantu osuke wasebenza labo kule platform 1. Maybe you can help me with Platform 1 is one of very much liked music band khona lapha ku Bulawayo.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you can mention the other guys osuke wasebenza labo khona ngale South Africa.
Okay. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ningimeme la Deb3 Events. Okay, right. Igama lami nguSmega Mani Mega Mula Zaka Nyuku aka Smegalicious, inkunzi eshaya ngegameni neyithakazela. Ubhuti isikheche ongaphuza ongabhemodla ama-stock suthi namazimba. Bhala phansi mntanami ngoba lamagama amaningi. Kuzobalula mawuzombiza ngoSmegalicious.
Wow.
No, bengizisho phela legama kahle yazi mfethu. Legama lihambi lodwa, lihamba nezitemo. Yabo, mawungangibiza nje uthi Smegalicious ngizobe hangilfeel yazi.
Oh my God.
Ngizongathi liyashota. Yabo.
Akumphinda siqalise kathi akumphinda. Now I'm prepared.
Okay, right. Angithemba nababukeli ba prepared. Okay, right. nguSmega Mani Mega Mula Zaka Nyuku aka Smegalicious, inkunzi eshaya ngegameni neyithakazela. Ubhuti usikheche ongaphuza ongabhema odla ama-stock sweet namazimba. Bhala phansi mntanami ngoba lamagama amaningi. Kuzobalula mawuzombiza ngoSmegalicious.
Oh my God. Okay. Sisazokhuluma ke khona lapho ukuthi kuvela ngapi. Ngicela uphendule umbuzo wami.
Okay, right. Eksebenzeni mfethu ngisebenze like ngishare istage nabantu abaningi kahle ngengishare nabo istage ama celebrities yabo. Platform 1 ngishare nabo istage, uFreddy Kwala ngishare na istage, Talihonga, Oskido, Mharimbe, Fed Kukwen Mahuta. Bani, just to name few. Then ngisebenze nomunye abathi uViska Bastrata.
Okay.
Ilo waspana kule album noMaphorisa uBastrata.
That was a hit, yeah.
Yes. Then no Bruno Masemza. or i-house guy. Yeah, no Shorter. uShorter uke wasebenza engomeni yami. Shorter from Shana, igroup eka beku Black Coffee ngithi no Demos Khosana no Shorter kuyishana. Shorter the guy wasebenza engomeni yami.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes.
And sizukuthi usule minyaka edlula 10.
Yebo,
Ukhona-
kunjalo.
Akusinike imbali. How did it start? More than 10 years. Iminyaka eminingi phela leyi.
No,
Indaba leyi kahle
Iningi
kahle
kakhulu.
yona isukele ngapi?
Okay right. Mina ngikhuphuke ngintwana nje ezalwa la kwaBulawayo. Ngizalwa kwaBulawayo 2008 ngakhuphuka ngaye eMzansi. Ngafika eMzansi bengumaJayivan. But mengila la ekhaya bengajayivela igroup like bengijayiva nje like ikhasilami wonke umfana nje like ungathi uhlakaniphile ubeka kwazi ukujayiva. Emaphathini uthola bona laba abajayivela ama group emaphathini bayazi ukuthi akukhona leya naye yalishaya unyawo because ngisase primary makucula ingoma esonto bothola laba abaseklasini engifunda nabo babukele mina ngijayiva isipanzula.
Wow. Okay.
Yabo bewumuntu onjalo but bengakuthathi serious ukuthi maybe talent because ngikhule nje into yakhona sinayo like us yabo. Ngakhuphuka ngaye eMzansi mangifika eMzansi ngajive ngaqhubeka ngijive mangijive engibona abantu bayithathela phezulu yanto mabeyithathela phezulu beyithathela phezulu but emculweni ngizalwe emndenini nomculo vele yabo. So kwabo ukuthi mina ngihamba kulo nyawo lwekwaito yabo because yona into engikhethayo ngintwana selokishini yabo. So 2009 kwathi ngibhala ingoma
2009.
yes.
Okay.
My role model uprofessor so bengimlalela kakhulu yabo. Yeah, isikhathi uyashisa naye lapha yabo. So ngabona ukuthi ngeke ungihlule lokho yabo. Ngabhala ingoma 2011 ngaqala ungena e-studio ke yabo. Yeah, kwasetshenzwa ke zasha lokho nje kuba nengqinamba nokukhula nani sihlangana nalokho till early last year ngacabanga ukuthi awuthi ngiyojika edladleni ngibona ukuthi kwenzakalani
Early last year.
yes because bembona ngathi kuba active yabo. So ngathi awuthi ngiyochecka ngikhona ku ground ngibona ukuthi sikhiphana.
Okay.
Yes.
So since early last year awukabuyeli ngalokhu la.
Cha azange ngibuyele and ukuza kwami nabe ngitshela ukuthi ngizochecka in yabo ngoba kusedladleni
Okay.
yabo.
Okay.
So then mangifika khona lokho nje ukuthi usukubanjwe izinto zomndeni yabo ukuthi ngoba mina bengashayi round la vele yabo. So khona lokho ukuthi already likhona uyabona nawe nje umtshela ukuthi sengicabanga ukuthi ngibuyele ukuthi iresponse yakhe ithi noma ngasho ukuthi awungabuyeli but iresponse yakhe bese ngibona phela already lisangidinga la ukuthi ngibe khona till today but day in day out njengomuntu ophushayo bengilokhe ngicela iindustry yala.
Okay.
So manje sengikhetha ukuhlala.
All right.
Yabo.
All right. So ngezinye indlela singathi umama uyakusupport uyakusekela in terms of sikhuluma ku-side le-arts in terms of music and stuff.
Yazi oleli lami umuntu onjani oleli lami umuntu ongakhuluma ukuthi ngiyayithanda into oyenzayo but wena uyabona
Ngezenzo,
yabo.
yes.
Because sometimes ungamfica ngelinye ilanga ngafica nje ekhuluma nomunye umuntu yabo ukuthi ekhuluma nomunye umntana kithi oyintombazane athi ngiyafisa ngandlezi ngifisa nje ukuthi ngibukele abantwana bami ku TV yabo because yabo sebeke bangibukela a couple of times ku TV
Yes,
yabo.
yes.
So that thing mina akaza ngitshela. So mina ngababhaqa abakhuluma
African mothers banjalo.
ngababhaqa abakhuluma nokuthi lento oyenzayo le i-right kakhulu ngiyayijabulela yabo. But mangimtshela ukuthi ngizoya kwi-interview ngiyambona ukuthi hayi lo muntu lento uyayijabulela but akangikhombisi yabo akangitsheli mina ngiyazibonela cause ngiyamazi uma wami.
Yes. African mothers mostly vele banjalo.
Yes.
And uyabona ama actions ukuthi no, this person
We
happy and proud.
Yes.
Yeah. So you find ukuthi sometimes they don't really mention it. So since now you came early last year.
Yes.
Industry usuke uyibona njani like i-industry naleyo kiwe?
Yala. industry yala kwaBulawayo i too slow. Yabo. Yeah. It too slow.
Slow.
Yeah, slow kakhulu.
But ile hope yini?
Yeah, hayi kunzima yazi kahle kahle ubunzima bakhona. Kunzima kahle kahle ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo ukuthi because kunenye into nje engibonayo ukuthi no enye into engibona ngathi kunzima ukuthi ishintshe. Into indlela abarana ngayo ilokhu njanini industry yakhona yabo. Khona something nje ekhona ukuthi mhlambe mengashintsha industry ngizokwazi ukukhuluma ngizokwazi ukuphawula ukuthi ine hope or ayina hope. But mina lapho ngizobe ngiphawula ukuthi izobe ine hope.
Okay.
Yabo. But manje into yakhona ngiyibona kuyinto enzima ukuthi ishintshe. Yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
But suke wa produce some songs in usula.
Yo. Kuyanyiwa. Ngikutshela this year nje unyaka uthi mawuqala ngathi last year ngenza ingoma ezingaki maybe boma 5 songs ngikhona la. This year unyaka uthi mawuqala ngezwe nje ngine feeling yokuthi yazini kulonyaka nizosebenza ngizothola ama feature amaningi yabo. Ngaposta nje ngithi ayazini abalandeli baseSmegalicious this kulonyaka u2026 nginithembisa ukuthi ngizoba involved engomeni eziku50.
Okay.
Yabo. Bekungathi angisho ukuthi bekuyisifiso sami like into nje yamane yeza nje kimi yabo ukuthi angisho kanjalo. Ngasho kanjalo. Sikhuluma nje njengamanje mina nawe ngu22 songs.
22 songs.
Esengisebenza engibe involved kuzo ama feature aqhamuka ngapha yabona and manje yazi thi mina since ngaqala iindustry kwenzakalani. Even uVisca the guy engitshele ngaye ngithi wayenza iBastrata. Wangaya ifeature. Ngagibele eBT. Waqeda lapho wathi Smega mina ngibusy nama project amaningi. Ngakubambezela yabo ukuthi le ngoma iphushwe. When I take the song and feature me and do anything, what do I want to do about the song? Yangithola.
Okay.
Featuring wena engomeni ibe Smegalicious featuring Visca. Nginenhlanhla leyo ke. Akusiuye yedwa from eMzansi nje bebalihlezi banginika ingoma bathi mfethu okay right this feature mfethu ingoma ayibe segameni lakho. Yo is the same thing enzeka khona la kuma features lawo esengwatholela.
Okay.
Umuntu wathi wozoshaya iEP mfethu. Sayenza iEP sibaningi silokho esifeature virus artists yabo. Kuthe mase kuyi EP ye6 songs mina ngathi asistophe ku6 songs. Waqeda lapho wabiza meeting uproducer yena uma ngibiza yabo athi guys ngicabanga ukuthi senze njani nali EP selikhona. Wathi kanjani kwathiwa iono ubani. Waqeda yena wakhuluma laba yamanje basathulile abanye. Wathi mina bafethu bengicabanga ukuthi EP leli uSmegali one as feature. Kungabe uSmegalicious and bani
akunje ngikubambe khona ugeza ngani.
No mfethu uNkulunkulu umthandazo nje kuphela. Angazi mfethu yabona leyo nto yazi yangimangaza nami uthi because there's many songs mfethu kwenzeka kanjalo yabo and lo yakugcina ngaloyo nomunye futhi khona omunye esitheshayo vele Smega take this song thatha lengoma mfethu ayi release yabo siyipush i-release siyipush yabo kanjalo yabo yiyo leyo nto leyo but njengamanje ngitshela nje sengibe involved ku 22 songs ezinye zisemagameni wabanye yabo but ezilongo nje iverse lika Smega kune signature yakhe. Yes siku 22 manje.
I think into ikhuluma layo ikhuluma la ngecharacter yakho isimilo sakho because I think nxa ungumuntu o difficult ukusebenza la abantu bayakuavoid
kunjalo
but if you are a person who is easy to work with osebenzeka la kuhlela esimilo esi right ophila kuhlela abanye abantu people always want to associate themselves with you so into ikhulumileyo yena leyi to me it speaks a lot about the character yakho ukuthi wena umuntu onjani. Yeah, now speaking of music lay osuyenzile.
Yes.
Do you have airplay radio? Because we've actually seen a lot of musicians besithi khona they don't get enough airplay abanye sebeze beziphushela kuma Spotify la kuma YouTube because they feel they're not getting enough airplay on ama radio stations ethu la esilawo.
Okay, right. Ama airplay ngiyawathola. Skies na lawo sengike ngewezwa ku nalawa engithi mangihlangana nabantu umuntu athi izolo ebusuku ngo10 mfethu ngizwe ingoma yakho ku Skies manje yazi thi sokwenzakalani ngiyawathola ama airplay.
Wow. Nice.
Nama interview ngiyawathola kuma radio station since ngifikile ngiyawathola nje kahle ngendlela right. Kukhona enye ingoma yami ebengithi ngathi ngiphusha yona ngithe mangifika la like ya totally attention fast yabo. So bengihambisa yona phambili but manje ngithi kunale story sokuthi submit music wakho e-library and stuff so ngisubmita the whole stuff yazi ngelinye ilanga ngithe mangishayela already round so bane radio yabo bebavulela i-radio ngizokudlala enye ingoma engingayicabangi nokuyicabanga eyami yabo.
Wow, that's
Ku-radio,
nice.
yes. So yona leyanto iyasho ukuthi bayaphusha yabo. Lokho ukukhuluma maybe ukukhuluma kusekela kule nkulumo oyishilo ukuthi uzwe abanye abantu bathi abawatholi ama airplays and stuff yabo. Ngike ngakhuluma nomnye umjida like sikwabona like off air si we interview so sengikhuluma ayimfethu kanti industry la skippani so yabo kanti why singathi asizwe nje but because manje I talent siyalizwa le makasi I talent bulawayo yeka phansi.
Wow.
Yeka phansi talent ikhona sesilizwile yabo ngiyalizwa mina ngale but manje boma radio singalizwa lela talent so mina sengikhuluma nje ngibuza nje ukuthi kanti manje mfethu kanti la kwenzakalani because I talent siyalizwa le malokishini yabo but asibezwa la uyamthithi wamphendula wathi hayi laba abantu abezi la mfethu ukuzothi thina mfethu mina yimi bani ngiyenza ngalokho yabo ngicela ukuthi nisubmit ispan sami but mina I understand ngamtshela mina ngaphendula mina ngeso lami ukuthi why bengezi indlela embona ngayo there's no business ku arts yakwaBulawayo. Uyangithola
Because at the end of the day italent lakho kumele likufakele ukudla etafuleni.
sure so italent kuze kuthume umuntu ukuthi hambe ye-industry emanda uyofuna umsebenzi yabo umsebenzi ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyarenta yabo ukuthi ukwazi ukugeza uqoke yabo lezo zinto so leyanto ibulala kuphi loya muntu i-arts isiwuplan B kuye uyangithola
Yes.
but manje kumuntu i-arts ewuplan A kuye uzogogoda yonke iminyango kokho yimi lo yenza so because uthembele kuyo mfethu
Yes,
yabo
yes.
uthembele kuyo kube kune business kube kunjalo most of the artists banjalo mfethu bayazi ukuthi uyazini la mina kahlahle my musician mina mfethu ngi big deal yabo and this thing engiyenzayo inkulu kakhulu yabo so kumele ngikokode lapha nalana kumele ngiziphathe so kumele kube even nokufunda ukuthi artist kumele iziphathe kanjani kube bayadinga ukuthi bafunde ukuthi artist kumele iziphathe kanjani but these days by ignore ngendaba ukuthi there is no business mfethu aba reach vele isikhathi sokuthi maybe ngize ngisearch about the information ukuthi artist kumele iziphathe kanjani cause le nto akusinext kuye mfethu yabo ingoma even mangakutshela nangokurelease ingoma online most of the artists kubanzi ukuthi azabe yazi nokuthi kureleasewa kanjani nanokuthi azihluphe ngokurelease cause ama distribution companies afuna imali bazokutshela ukuthi okay DistroKid is $30 yabo to subscribe pay yabo $30 umuntu athi 30 mali hayi ngeke ngona music wami abafethu angithi music lapha abafethu banawo sengibagayile emafonini yabo ngibaphila abafethu emafonini yabo bayazi bayebethi ha untwana yagijima yabo yabo ekhasi bamphethe yabo but into embulele angisho ukuthi maybe ibubhare but into ebulala this thing ukuthi there is no business ku environment abakuyo so le yanto mfethu kahle usekayithatha kancane uphethe into enkulu but yena akayiboni ivalue yakhona because lapha khona ayikho valuable
Yes.
Uyayithola.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
that's actually true. So it says a lot.
Yes.
It's because of ukuswela that value thing. Ukuthi you have something precious, you have something big.
Yes.
But usukubona njengento encane
Njengento
ngoba
encane.
akukuniki ma benefits,
Akukuniki
akukuniki
ma-benefits.
imali and
Yes.
stuff. Yes.
Yeah.
Ah, wow. Profound. Okay, so now you are getting airplay. Usuke wathola ama shows yini khona lapha?
Yebo ngiyawathola. Even nelokhu njani ne-TV interviews engike ngayithola.
Yebo phela.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Ama-gig ngiyawathola lapho nalapho but ukuthi ngithi kuslow ngiretha from la engisuka khona.
Yes,
Yabo.
yes, yeah.
Ne-strategy engibuye ngaso nje nanokuthi noma mangifika la mina ngi-artist enganamanager since angaze ngibe nomanager yabo so mina ngisigogodela iminyango eMzansi bengizigogodela iminyango yabo ngifike yimi ubani so bese siyakhuluma bese sifike ekugcineni ukuthi okay span sakho mfethu ufunani ngifuna igigi lana okay right fresh mfethu manje ufunani ufuna provide so yabo into le ivela iqale ku response ukuthi umuntu uresponde kanjani span sami usibone kanjani ukuthi abe nami lapha ukuthi maybe singabooster ilokhu njanini i-crowd lapha kuye o singabooster i-business lapha kuye uyithathe kanjani lo mbono ubone kanjani yabo kushuthi sengazi ukuthi okay lapha ngishayela ishot maybe sengithola igig yabo nala ngeza na same strategy ngiyakokoda iminyango ama club amaningi most of the clubs ala ama entertainment managers wakhona siyakhuluma emafonini span sami basiphethe because ngiyakokoda
You mean business?
yes
Awudlali?
yes kokho sanibonani usimekalishas nangu ufikile nangu ushaya lokhu nalokhu yabo agcwale ngesipani umuntu yabo but mayigcwele ngesipani masilokho sikhuluma efonini yeza man istory siyashintsha bese mina manje sengiqala nokubheka the way abayirana ngakhona entertainment yasendaweni bese ngibona ukuthi no lapha usimekalishas kahle laba abantu bayamdinga but abafuna ukudedela amachinchi yabo bajwayele like environment yakhona injalo barana ngaleyo ndlela
Yeah.
yabo ngiyabe ngizwe ukuthi lapha is not abangirejectanga bagcwele ngami but manje usimekalishas uyadimanda ukuthi ndoda mina phela la uyabo so manje story sethu ngeke sisebenze
Indaba isikhona lapho.
yabo so manje bese ngibona ukuthi environment vele iyona this environment yala kwaBulawayo injalo yabo
Yes.
bese ngibheka nje nokuthi into yamagigi yokurana especially for ama artist into engakabi that big yabo cause into engibonayo ngiyabheka ngithi mawusiye endaweni njengami ngisuka eMzansi before ngizoza la ngabuza ukuthi okay ngoba mina ngikhulile vele ngiyazi ukuthi into elalelwe eMzansi iyo elalelwa kwaBulawayo so ngabuza ukuthi ophethe oshaya isigubhu oshaya ipiano yabo okhona ngale ontswembu like ongathi uyi-top dog yakhona ubani yabo bangitshela ukuthi kunomjito so okay right bese ngibheka amajito okay right bese ngifollow up ukuthi okay the guy uyagiga yini la kwaBulawayo told the guy is also not gigging so ngicine ngibona ukuthi okay environment yenjalo angithi bathi uyi-top dog yakhona
Yes.
yabo but
But,
is not gigging
yeah,
mina ngiyazi ukuthi top dog ama-poster mfethu like
Kumele ahlale ebhuku, vele kahlali
ema-posteni vele
phansi,
kumele
kahlali phansi,
uhlale umbona yabo
Yeah.
because manje angithi isikhathi sakhe uyarokha ngaleso sikhathi yabo so mina bese ngibona ukuthi okay right la environment i-flop environment
Kuslow.
Kuslow.
Things are slow, yeah.
Especially for ama-artist ne kunzima kakhulu maybe mawu-DJ ungakwazi ungena ububamba laphayana yabo ngicela islot intwana ngicela uzodlala laphaya yabo uthola islot nana but ama-artist kusasenzima
Yeah.
for kwaBulawayo the way
Yeah.
ngibona ngakhona yabo
We always talk about indaba nale nxa co-host wami uLeslie ekhona, we always talk about issue nale ukuthi i-arts industry is a bit slow but silokuba optimistic ukuthi hayi ngokuya kwesikhathi kuza we always like that. Now also because from what I know about you are also an actor.
yes
So you've done acting khona apha koBulawayo kumbe
emzansi la ngikaze ngiyenze kahle mina i-industry ngiqale 2011 emzansi angikazi ngiqale last year ukupusha lokho njani yami la
yeah so the
Lokhuya,
acting awuka venture
la angikazi ngishaye acting
okay
yabo
okay
angikazi ngishaye acting la
so South Africa khona ngale did you get the main gigs lapha maybe phela sometimes uyakwazi ukuthi kunje so one
Yes.
yakwazi ukuthi ngubone enxe ngaye ngakubona ku TV but I don't even remember that I saw you
okay right no uthi ngibeka so eSouth Africa bengena kaso as an extra but khona la engake ngathola khona ilokho njanini ama line yabo but i main character like real main character permanent main character angazi ngithola yabo so then okunye besikwenza futhi khona abantu told maybe bashaya something i production encane like ama production angakangeni ku TV yabo
okay
beshaya into yabo now uma actor maybe bashaya ama auditions uye nawo kuma auditions sengeke ngawathola lawo magigi kanjalo yabo
okay
yeah
wow.
But lawa televisizwayo angaze ngiwathole because lapha sokunani kusiphithiphithi mfethu eSouth Africa kusiphithiphithi ziyakhipha yeah kusiphithiphithi serious kune business especially ku arts kune business lo wenzo wakhe that's why ubona even nama podcast manje sebengenile ama podcast uyabona lokho njani podcast enchili uMakchi ukuthi ibig kanjani like emhlabeni wonke nje mawungayirate yabo yabo so those things so khona abanye abashaya malokho njanini it's just like iTap3 so the way shaya ngakhona bayaphusha ku YouTube baningi khona to corner yabo khona to corner
I think okunye ikhona ukuthi vele the industry ngale the arts industry ngale it's a big industry
yes.
And another thing ngibona I could be wrong but ngibona ngani ngale they also respect that industry because khona lokho ukukhulumileyo lapho ukuthi sometimes you find ukuthi i-arts iba nguplan B.
Yes.
You find ukuthi most of the people i-arts iba i-hobby.
Yes.
Maybe because of that khona ukuthi umuntu uyabebona ukuthi ngingayipusha full time ngizakudlala. Yeah,
yes.
Umuntu abesedinga a full time job and then yona sisiba maybe that's why isisiba semuva isiba slow and that's why I think ingahlonishwa.
Yes.
But I've also mentioned many times ukuthi sometimes you'll find I like that you take your art seriously, you take your job seriously.
Thanks a lot.
Because you find uthi I've said this khona lapha enkundleni, I've said this on my Facebook page, I've said this in my social media platforms many times.
Yes.
Ukuthi if you're an artist and wena umsebenzi wakho awuhloniphi.
Yes.
People are not going to respect umsebenzi wakho.
Yes.
And umsebenzi wakho wena nxa ungawuthathi seriously wena mnikazi.
Yes.
Don't expect us to take you seriously.
Kunjalo.
Yeah. So nxa ungalulazisa into yakho.
Yes.
Vele wonke umuntu uzakululazisa at the end of the day.
Yes.
So I love the fact ukuthi you are emphasizing on knocking on doors, ukuqoqoda iminyango and talking to people in pitching uthi this is what I'm doing.
Yes.
Let's work.
Yes.
It shows that you are here to work.
Yes.
You are not here to play.
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yes.
And also bese mbuzo ukuthi khona now I'm sure because uthe you have a target this year.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. A target of 50.
Of 50.
Yes.
And already sesiphakathi komnyaka
sesisenta
yomnyaka.
Mina ngu22.
Already almost halfway.
Yes, but ngine pressure because ngifuna ukuthi like ama recordings ngifuna ukugcina ngokuphela ka August. Yes.
Okay.
But manje mina nginjani?
Why ufuna ukugcina ngo-August?
Sebe sesipusha mfethu sokuyisama sesijakadula. Ingoma mele singene ebantwini.
Sokupusha sokumarket and stuff. Oh wow.
Sure. No manje day in day out ngiyamarketa ngiyarelease izingoma yabo because njengamanje nge1 zika July I got a song edropayo then nge16 zika July nengoma ezu4 ezidropayo yabo le ngoma ngisebenza ziyadroshwa yabo yeah okay. So day in day out ngiyaziphusha even namanje yabo but lapha ngibona ngathi sokuyisikhathi sokuthi mfethu focuswe kumagigi and mina manje into engiyenzayo yonke le 22 it's not about ukuthi maybe ngiyathi mfethu ngicela sisebenze phela yabo no not ukuthi maybe ngithi ngiblind lo kanjani no mangithi u50 loya not ukuthi bembheka ukuthi ngakokotela bani ngithi imfethu asishaye something phela no azizela jita kune beat la zwakala phela yabo jita kune beat phela mfethu uyabona lela beat ngisengithumela i beat but khona linye linswembu mfethu vele ubone ukuthi wenza njani azabe u3 yabo because last week khona olunye usuku engafika kumjita ngithi ngiyo recording ngoma e1 ngagcina ngirecord e3 esevundlula amabhithi athi nginesinye staff mfethu khona esinye staff esivaya kaso awuthi ngikuvundlulele ngasishaya kudala lesa staff mara bengisifihlile yabo
how do you manage because uhamba usiya recorder 1 and then you record 3 uyabuvele ulawo kumbe uyabusu freestyle lapho ke sokusenzakalani
ubuze kahle ang freestyle yazi mina ngi-artist ebhala kanjani mina ngibhaliswa ibeat lakho yangithola beat lakho vele ngisanda ukutshela ama producers ukuthi mina mfethu angifuni beat challenge because ngisanda ukureject amanye ama beat yabo so but khona lokho mfethu like more rejecta ispan somuntu thola umuntu ungithola ku Facebook athi mfethu I like your job yabo ngifrustana ispan sakho mfethu hayi verse lakho uyahamba mfethu yabo ngicela stage yabo ngithi fresh boza yabo hayi WhatsApp tens sho ngizothumela ibeat athumela ibeat ngilalele esenze ukuthi no akusistyle sami yabo mina ngifuna into ejivisa abantu enzima ukuyilalela yangithola but right ukuyijivela so babona ingoma ukuthi uyilalela nama lyrics sometimes yabo ungawatholi kahle yangithola but wena uba la
kumele ube senyaweni
mayidlala wena uba la yabo mayise izophela yabo usune stress sokuthi le ngoma seyizophela wayo DJ angayiphindi
that's your style
that's my style
yeah.
So manje ngiyamtshela umuntu ukuthi mfethu yazini mina ngifrustana igugugugugu yabo so khona lokho but ngifila kanjani ngifila guilt ngathi sengehlisa omnye umntwana phansi like ukuthi sengimtshele ngathi like ngathi awukonsoela
but ibusiness injalo phela
no ibusiness injalo but manje
lama yes lama no
sure mina nginendlela yami but manje yes no mina vele kahle kahle kusho ukuthi kuzoba nzima kimi like noma kunzima namanje kuzoba nzima in future because mina ngulo muntu ukuthi mangithe no ngiyabe sengifuna uku-explaina kakhulu ukuthi why ngithe no
so ngani lesikwerede
ongani sengathi ngiya yabo ngiumuntu onjalo yabo ngiumuntu onjalo so lapha ngiyamtshela umjita mfethu ngifuna into engichallengeayo ezongikhiphisa lokho enginakho so lapha ngithola ukuthi ujita mina ngicreative creative ngale ndlela ukuthi uyabona ungalahlela ibeat manje ibeat elihambayo in 10 minutes ngiyabe senginika ama chorus avayayo 4
wow
so khethe i1 khona la kwe1 le ngizoyigibezela iverse layo elikhambisana nayo nje straight exoxa istory sona leso yabo kuleyo ikhetha ngumuntu onjalo
wow I think isikhangelele genre yakho yamapiano into ekhulumayo it makes sense
yes
so I kind of like understand where you're coming from.
Yes.
Now also sesikhuluma ingoma lezo esikhuluma ngazo.
Yes.
Ziyatholakala ku Spotify, what and stuff like that.
Ziyatholakala online.
And it's megalicious. Yonke indawo.
Yes.
And laba kudingayo nxa befuna ukuthola bakuthola kwapha ama social media platforms.
Okay, social media platforms go Facebook @smega, TikTok @smegalicious, Instagram smegalicious1, YouTube channel smegalicious _omapakisha. Phenye futhi ngikhohliwe. Ngena ku Google nje kuphela Google smegalicious. Smegalicious or smegalicious music izokudirecta la ufuna khona.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. So we have on Spotify, we have on Apple Music.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Yes. Now I just want to go a bit personal.
Yes. Okay.
So uthe wena wahamba eSouth,
yes.
Was it 2008?
28 years.
2008.
2008, yes.
2008.
Yes.
And it brings me to question your age.
Manje ngoba imfihlo leyo nto mfethu.
No, if you don't want to mention it, it's fine. Nxa imfihlo is fine. But sinike hint, all right. 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s.
30s.
Okay.
Okay, right.
So I think siyalingana. I think you're my age. But my age is public knowledge.
No, angithi ngahamba 2008 ne. iminyaka engihlala eMzansi ngoba ngithi ngibuye last year iminyaka engihlala eMzansi around iminyaka yona le ayengahamba nginayo serious yabo
Okay.
awu concern with mathematics
Hayi ngiyakuzwa nje kuthi uthi siphosa silingani.
yeah
Siphosa silingani khona lapha. Are you married?
yo uyabona ke
Are you available?
lalela
Are you available?
lalela into
Phela uyakwazi ukuthi izwana ngubami.
Yes.
Kulabo sisi ababebukele la.
yes
So sifuna ukuthi labo babekwazi ukuthi bale chance kumbe abala chance. Badlalele eduze mbe badlalele khatshana.
ngicela ukusho kanje
Are you
yabona
available?
le lokhu njanini yabona lokhu njanini ye-age ne ye-age ne marital status ay imfihlo yes
Okay, sorry to the single ladies out there.
Uzothini?
Sorry. Ngiyabaxolisela ukuthi hayi ithuba this time, maybe next time, but now I akula to. Anything that you want to tell abantu ababukeleyo ukuthi bakhangeleleni njengoba susithembisile ukuthi umnyaka lo ziyagigwa ziyeza ingoma.
Ziyakhala.
Is there anything else that you want to tell the viewers?
Okay right njengoba ngishilo ukuthi usimeka mani mega mula zakanyuku aka Simeka Lishasa inkunzi eshaya ngegama elinethakazela ubhuti usikhetshekhethe ongaphuza ngaphela uma udla ama stock sweet namazimba bhala phansi mntanami ngoba lamagama maningi kuzoba lula amazombiza ngoSimeka Lishasa bafethu uSimeka Lishasa ukhona la kwaBulawayo ku ground bafethu babukeli emakhaya uSimeka Lishasa ukhona unani la ngiseshane einkundleni zokuxhumana zonke lezi engizishilo une birthday party ngibize ngi-MC also ngizojayivisa lapha unomshado like any event nje edinga entertainer ngikhona lapho yabo nasema clubbing ngicela ningibhuke uSimeka Lishasa ngikhona khona lapho bese ngisho nje einganeni ngingathi einganeni kahle kahle ngithi out there mawukuthi maybe una something oyenzayo career kwi-career esimisele ubelievele kuwe mawukuthi uyaqala bukela emntwini oku-inspirayo ibayazi kahle kahle into yakho mayibe neplan uqale ngokuthi okay right umuntu ongi-inspirayo ukuthi ngize ngiyenze lento ubani bese ubukela kuye makusondeleka eduze sondela eduze ubuze indlela ngoba bathi buzo kwabaphambili uzoba mnandi.
Wow, amazwe enhlakanipho lawo ngamazwe enhlakanipho. Okay, so Simeka Lishasa ake siqambe sikhuluma ngemusic masikhuluma ngoSimeka Lishasa sikhuluma ngeacting sikhuluma ngeMCing choreography
cha
ayikho. What else?
Songwriter, scriptwriter, entrepreneur above all. Entrepreneur.
Wow.
Angithi uyabona nanko.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Into eziqoqekileyo.
Yes, yibrand yami.
Okay.
Now ngafaka iorder.
Yebo phela.
Yes,
sakhuluma behind scenes.
Okay right.
So babukeli, there you have it. Sihamba lo Simeka Lishasa, and I think ukhulume kahle kakhulu nxa esithi khona nxa uyi upcoming kumbe ulalokho la office ukwenza in terms of career buza kwabaphambili ungesabi ukubuza kwabaphambili khangela lawe ebantwini abaku-inspire ufunde ukuthi bona benza njani. So siyabonga kakhulu ngokuba lathi lapha enkundleni exclusive. Thank you so much. You know, it's quite nice to meet abantu abanjengawe because lami nginje kukhona engikufundileyo.
Okay.
From wena khona phela usithi uyazixoxela but uyabufundisa. Uyabufundisa. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please lingakhohlwa ukuchecka uSimeka Lishasa kuma social media platforms ukhona la ku YouTube and music yakhe ikhona njalo ku Spotify, Apple Music ikhona music amapiano genre yakhe ngamapiano. Please do follow him and subscribe to his YouTube channel. And also Not forgetting to subscribe to YouTube channel Deb3 Events. Please do follow Deb3 Events across all social media platforms. Sikona Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Sikona, and also do follow me Nondudu Zongube across all social media platforms. And before I go, let me remind you, ukuthi iKawash ikona ivuliwe every day, Monday to Saturday. We are open at 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Sundays we open at 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Please bring your cars ukuthi azogeza. Sibona njalo kuviki elizayo, same place. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you.
Wozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndaba esekudwini